Avi Angel is an American actor and social media personality. He is primarily known as the younger brother of Asher Angel. Avi was born Avi Samuel Angel on January 10, 2006 in Arizona, United States. His parents are Jody and Coco Angel. He is spending his childhood with a lot of love from his parents, which is why he has such a positive attitude and personality. He is a Jewish family. Avi grew up with his siblings Asher and their younger sister. London Blue Angel is the suburbs of Arizona known as Paradise Valley. Since a tender age, Avi has looked up to his brother as an inspiration. He has started dating someone named Isabella in October 2020. He made his first big screen appearance quite early in his life. His film also starred Asher. Avi is blessed to have supportive parents who have always encouraged their children to follow their dreams. He took part at Arizona's Fashion Week for Kids in 2015, being the younger brother of actor, dancer and singer Asher Angel, who is known for having been cast as Jonah Beck in the family comedy drama series Auntie Mac. Avi Angel made his first theatrical film appearance by playing the role of Brad Jr. in the drama film Jolene in 2008. Avi Angel was cast as the 7-month-old version of the character named Brad Benton, while his older brother Asher Angel was cast as the 5-year-old version of the same character. The movie was co-produced by Avi's maternal grandfather, Riva Years, who is a prominent figure in the Scottsdale art world. Avi Angel made his first TV show appearance as Ivan in an episode titled Lightning Bug of the series Crossroads in October 2017. He has maintained a healthy physique by maintaining an active lifestyle. He focused on his studies instead and worked hard to polish his acting skills. He appeared in one of its episodes titled Lightning Bug. He was seen in the episode titled I Got Your Number in the 3rd season of the Disney Channel teen comedy drama Auntie Mac.